Right guys, welcome back. 1 minute series again. What we're going to focus on today is how to do the perfect push-up. You want your hands to be shoulder width and in line with your shoulders. Bring your feet back nice and comfortable and tuck the hips in. From there, lower the body by flexing the elbows. Squeeze. Control. Squeeze. I'm going to show you another angle from my back so you can see the angle that my elbows are flaring. You want your elbows to flare at a 45-degree angle backwards, okay? The perfect push-up. Peace. As you're lowering the body, you want to focus on your chest, stretching, like so. And on the way up, you want to focus on squeezing the chest by driving your elbows in towards each other. Stretch, squeeze. Also, as you go back, retract your shoulder blades, retract, squeeze. The perfect push-up.